Hello viewers, are you experiencing Messenger chat theme upload an image option not showing problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to Play Store and then tap on Search app. Now search Messenger. Now update your Messenger apps in latest version. I have already updated my Messenger apps and then go back to home screen. Now find Messenger apps and then tap and hold on Messenger apps. Now open Messenger app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Tap on clear cache. Press on back button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then restart your phone. Press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to Messenger and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.